Listen, nobody wants to be smelling like a snack, looking like a snack, feeling real good, and be dry. Okay, nobody wants a dry treat. Okay, you are here looking and feeling like you're doing your best and you're a whole treat, but nobody wants a dry treat. Nobody wants dry cake. Nobody wants anything that's dry that's supposed to be a tasty treat. So hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Prestigious Prep by Paris, and I am Paris. Thank you so much for being here. For all of my prep squad, thank you so much for coming back and supporting me, liking the videos, watching the videos. I really do appreciate all that you are doing, and I hope that you continue to stay with me as we go on this journey. For everyone that is new, again, thank you for being here. I appreciate you coming to spend time with me today. And for everybody that's present, I always say it definitely means, because you're here, that excellence must be near. And that just means that in all areas of your lives, we, me, you, I, us, are really trying to do our best. And we're not a perfect people, but we're doing what we can, right? We're doing the best that we can with what we have, striving to obtain more. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into the video. But if you're following me on my social media, so Prestigious Prep by Paris on Instagram as well as Facebook, you should have seen that I posted my results from my DIY body scrub. So I decided while we're in quarantine, I've been trying all kinds of stuff, y'all. I've been doing hair, I've been cooking new foods, I've been making scrubs, just been doing all kinds of things. And so when things work, I share. I'm also going to share some things that maybe didn't work. Maybe they might work for you. But anyway, I love to share success stories, especially for DIY things that you can do at home. Now, for most people, maybe not for most people, but for a lot of people, dry skin might really be an issue for you. Or maybe you have been trying several different lotions or body creams, and like we love Victoria's Secret and Bath and Body Works and all those things, but if you have particularly dry skin, they don't hydrate you the way that you would like, or I should say me. You smell good, you smell like a tasty treat, and that's cute, but if you're a tasty dry treat, then we don't want that for you. Nope. I don't want that for me. So I am looking for all kinds of DIYs to do. And I've tried several, but one of the ones that I'm super loving right now was the DIY scrub. So really the whole point for me in really looking for the scrub again, I don't really have particularly dry skin. I used to have eczema as a child, like here and in this area it was like really dark, and so obviously with oil consistency, oil treatments, ointments, things of that, it did resolve, so thank God for that. But my kids' skin, their skin is dry. It just is. And sometimes I get dry too, so I was just really looking for something that we could do, or that I could do while we're in the shower, that will help us not have to keep searching for all these different lotions and moisturizers and do this and do that, but really keep our skin in a good state, help to get rid of all the dry skin. And I found a DIY trick. Several people on YouTube have already made DIY scrub videos. This is my own particular spin on it, because you really do have to do what works for you. I was already using pretty much all of these products to cook with, or in some other capacity, in my hair or whatever, so I just decided, why not go ahead and make it into a scrub and see how it does. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but this is shining, okay? This is no additional additives. This is just right out of the shower. I don't have any like extra things going on, if you will. So you can see the shine. That is strictly from the body scrub. Period. So yeah, I'm gonna share that with you today. I'm gonna show you how to prepare it, what ingredients you need, how I store it. All of that information is gonna be provided to you. I also wanted to share right from the beginning that this is not just to get you to watch this video and just making up some stuff. I'm very forthcoming here on my channel. I am truly using this. As you can see, it's almost gone, okay? So I use it like every day, use it. So without further ado, let's talk about, another reason why you would even want to use a body scrub. Again, body scrub in any capacity or any kind of scrub is really, the point is to exfoliate, meaning to get rid of the additional layer of dead skin that is on top of your body. Your body or your skin is the largest organ on your body, and so we really want to take care of that. And so there are several ways to do that. Obviously, drinking water, working inside out is going to be the best. Taking vitamins, getting enough sleep, nutrients, exercise, fruits, vegetables, all those typical things that you can do. There's also some things that you can put on your skin that your skin will like and allow your skin to heal from eczema and things of that sort, or really just to brighten your skin if you're looking to do that without having to bleach or anything. Just if you're looking for a more even skin tone, this is a great option for you. So I'm going to share with you how I did it. I hope you like it. Again, it's something that I routinely do all the time, like every day. I keep my container in the bathroom that is specifically for my scrub, and I just continue to replenish it when it's gone. So let's go ahead and jump right into how I prepare my scrub. Okay, so to get started with your sugar scrub, here are the ingredients that you are going to need. You are going to need olive oil. Any kind of olive oil will do. Make sure it is, virgin olive oil. I typically use the light because I also cook with this, so there goes that. You also need a measuring apparatus or device or cup or whatever you want to call it. I like the 1 cup because I can get several ingredients in here all at once, and then I can move from there. You're going to need a spoon or something to get your coconut oil out of when we get there. Brown sugar. This is the Target brand of brown sugar. Regular brown sugar works just fine. I use the light because it's a little bit healthier for you. Although this is going on my skin, I still, choosing that. Organic cane sugar. This is the Walmart brand. So this is what this looks like. I'm going to use a little bit of that. Here is our coconut oil that we'll be using as well. And then this right here is just regular cane sugar. So you can do this in any order that you'd like. I'm just going to show you, how I do it. I typically will put in my sugars first, and then I'll go ahead and add in my oils, and then I'll stir. So, all right. So first things first, we'll go ahead and get some of the cane sugar, and we'll put about a cup, a little over half a cup in here. This is really for one of the main ingredients, along with the moisturizer or the oil that you're adding. So we'll add about half a cup there, and then we'll add about a cup of the sugar. Sugar is really good for naturally exfoliating your skin. It's also great on your lips, obviously, your skin on your lips. So great option there. And then we're going to go with some of the actual brown sugar. Now this is a little bit harder to do in the way of measuring because of its form. It's natural, it kind of clumps up together. So you'll have to really just eyeball and see. I would say a half a cup would be good. But because I'm putting it all in one container here, I'm just going to kind of fill it up to the actual top. All right, so put that down. You can pour all of your ingredients into your cup like such. All right, so here you can see all of our sugar in just a little Tupperware container. Sorry, I forgot to mention this is another item that you're going to need. Now we're going to take just 1 tablespoon of your coconut oil. I only use this amount because the coconut oil tends to make the sugar, sometimes it makes it a little too soft. So then you lose the exfoliating ability of the scrub faster. For your actual olive oil, If you are going to measure this, I would probably say maybe just about 2 tablespoons or so, because you do want it to have a good consistency. You want it to be able to exfoliate, but you also want to be able to actually get some of the oils from this. So we'll just do this here. And sorry guys. Okay, so we're just going to stir. Okay, so once you've actually stirred all your ingredients together, this is what you should have. You should have a beautiful brown colored sugar scrub. Yeah, it tastes really good. Don't eat the scrub. But it smells really good. It tastes really good. As you can see, we're gonna get a nice, good, or have a nice, good exfoliating experience when it comes to using this. But it's also, I'll stir a little bit so you can see, it's also very smooth. So it's really a nice balance of both, you know, the roughness as well as the oils that we added. Okay, all right, take this out. And now I'm going to show you, you know, on my hand exactly what you're going to be working with when you get in the shower. Okay, so now as you can see, I do have the scrub actually on my hand. What you want to do is wherever you decide to put this, make sure you are rubbing in a circular motion. Circular motion all the way over the actual area of the skin. It should feel very smooth after you actually get the exfoliation going. You can start to see your skin shining. And as you can see, it comes up really good here. You can see already the level of glow that my skin now has. So you keep scrubbing until you get, you know, all of the exfoliant or all of the sugar actually worked into your skin. Keep scrubbing. You can actually use, you know, if you want to use your, I usually do open hand when I'm doing this, but I'm trying to do one hand just to show you. Okay. And just keep scrubbing. Okay. And so I put a lot, you know, a lot for this little section, but as you can see, nice and shiny. You can even see the difference from my actual hand versus my wrist. You see the line of demarcation right there. So, all right, you can kind of see it right there too. All right, so that's it. It's really super easy. Again, okay, so now I've actually washed it off. You can see how nice and moisturized that area is. Has a nice little glisten on it. And there you have it. You'll never have to buy lotion again. This is also, again, really good because it's going to get all the extra dead skin off. And you're going to be having your new skin exposed, but treated nicely with your scrub. And so this scrub can last, you know, a while because you only need a small amount of this. So, all right, there you have it. And here it is again, just so you can see how beautiful it shines. And literally, guys, by the time I go to take my shower the next day, my skin still looks like this. Amazing. All right. Hey, so I hope you enjoyed that information. I hope you are going to try that. Please make sure if you try it, you come back. Let me know how you liked it. Now, I do want to give some warnings, I guess, a little bit. If you do have eczema and you have open areas and you're really super dry, you do not want to put an exfoliant on top of that, because that is going to definitely aggravate your skin. Your skin does need to be healed over. No open wounds, no open cuts. Do not put this on top of that. Okay, although I am a nurse and have been for a while, I am not a doctor, and this is not a prescription. So this is if your skin is dry, but you do not have any breaks in your skin, you don't have any really angry areas other than, you know, a smooth surface. It can be dry, maybe dry patches might be okay. However, but if you really do have open spots where your skin has separated, or you have abrasions or anything like that, don't put any kind of exfoliant, not just this DIY, any kind of exfoliant on your skin, because you're going to harm your skin more. So again, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you are going to come back. I'm going to be providing more videos like this. Tell me if you like it. Anything else you want me to try, don't get crazy though. But if there's anything you want me to try, we can definitely talk about it and see what we can come up with. But I'm super happy again that you spent this time with me today. I hope the video was super helpful for you. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my other videos too. I give you tips on hair, long consolidation, school, all kinds of stuff. I got some motivation. Check out the encouragement playlist. So yeah, just check it out. But anyway, until next time, bye.